Hello KG2, this is Bushra Chanju again with a new English lesson, and today's topic is consonants. Now what are consonants? All those letters in English alphabet which are not vowels are called consonants. Do you remember vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So keep it in your mind that all those letters which are not vowels are called consonants. Let's find them out. Read them aloud while I am writing. You see, all these are the consonants. Now note them in your notebooks and mail me. Let's see who writes the best. Start writing. See you. Bye.